1996 Land Rover Discovery. You know, it sounded kind of like I had a leaf stuck in my fan. And I think I had just more than a leaf. It really restricted the airflow. Let's take a look at the truck itself. So we go over to the passenger side. And this fan's held in with 3 screws. Get the light right. Everybody likes complaining about the lighting in my videos. So we got one here, one here, one here, and we have an electrical connector. Single tab, push it in, pull it out, and you got to pull all the wiring forward like that, and then it'll actually come out easily. Check up inside to see if there's any mice or any more foreign material. I'm lucky. I have nothing else here. Nothing got in. And may look up inside. Check the condition of your doors. See if there's any problems up there. Anything broken. Any dead mice. Or more foreign material. So now we ought to get better airflow during the winter.